Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to see most recent posts on Facebook or the new posts of your friends or groups on Facebook, okay? So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Facebook application and then tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then from here there are lots of options, so you will just have to tap on the feeds option, so this one, and then from here you will be able to see all of the posts, the recent or the new posts on Facebook, okay, on your feed. So for example, this one, you can see the time this post has been posted. Okay, it was 13 minutes ago. So when you scroll down, you can see here the time of this post. Okay, it was posted 28 minutes ago. Okay, when you tap on your favorites, so you would be able to see here the latest or the new posts, and then as well as the friends, groups, and pages. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can see most recent posts on Facebook. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.